Rudra, nothing will happen to you. Doctor! Doctor, please! Doctor! Is anyone here? Somebody help, please! Doctor!
Maya, leave my hand. This boat will topple if I come up. None of us will be alive. Leave my hand, Maya. Leave my hand. I wish I had some more time. I would have wiped your tears with my love. I love you, Maya.
Please save my Rudra. 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 Please save him. Please save him. Save my Rudra, please. Somehow save my Rudra, please. Please save my Rudra. Please save him. Please save Rudra. Please.
Ma'am, your patient.
No, Rudra. You cannot weaken me now. I have waited for this revenge for 10 whole years. Your love cannot snatch it from me. Rudra, I can't let you burn in the fire which has blackened my very soul in these 10 years. Because you... Call upon this number and tell him that his son is alive.
And ma'am, how are you related?
I'm not related.
You were going to run away again, Maya.
Rudra, what are you doing?
The more you run away from me, the closer I'll come to you.
I have to go, Rudra, please. Rudra, stop it. Rudra. Rudra, let go of me. What are you doing? Let go.
I love you.
No, let go.
I love you, and I know that you love me too.
No, I don't love you.
Lies! Look into my eyes and tell me. I love you, Maya.
Rudra, I don't.
Is that so? You don't love me. If you don't love me, then why do you hesitate? If you don't love me, then why is your heart racing? If you don't love me, why did you bring me out of the brink of death? I heard everything. Everything you said. And anything you didn't, okay?
Rudra, I love you. Don't abandon me for darkness after giving me hope.
चाहा तुझे दिल ने मेरे तो सांसों ने धोखा दिया तेरा हुआ यूं इस तरह कि मुझसे हुआ मैं जुदा सन ले गया तू फिर मेरे जीने की सारी वजह
You had told me, Maya, that if the fate means to take us down a path, the destiny isn't wrong.
When fate means to take us down a path, the destiny isn't wrong.
Your fate brought you in my arms.
तू रहे यूं सदा आदत है तू बुरी या सजा
I won't let you run away, Maya. My love is your limit.
Rudra, I don't love you.
तुझ पे भी तू लगे लाज़मी
I didn't hold your hand to let go, Maya.
बेहद है ये मेरी आशिकी
I won't let go of you, and you won't be able to break free from my love. Loving you taught me that love brings not pain, but it brings peace. And I will give you that peace. Loving you made me realize that love means not to obtain, but to give up. I dedicate my life to you from today.
दिल की सदा बेवजह मांगे ना कोई दुआ ये इल्तिजा यही रजा करता है दिल हर दफा
Loving you taught me, Maya, to spread colors so much in the love of one I love that even black becomes dull. Today I give you all my love. My love will free you from the darkness. My love will be the bond. And I will have a bond with you that you cannot escape even if you want to. I brought you here, Maya, but you will have to take the first step towards our new life and relationship. I leave it all up to you. So now the decision is yours.
सर्वमंगल मांगल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थ साधिके शरण्ये त्र्यंबके गौरी नारायणी नमोस्तुते। मंगलम भगवान विष्णु मंगलम गरुड़ध्वज मंगलम पुंडरीकाक्ष मंगलाय तनोहरि मंगलम भगवान विष्णु मंगलम गरुड़ध्वज।
I promise you that from now on, no one will come between us, not even God.
I promise you that I will trust you more than I trust myself. The darkness in my life won't be able to take away the happiness and light from your life.
I promise you that no matter how dark the life gets, I will always be your light. I'll always be with you, be it happiness or sadness, be it life or...
सर्वमंगल्य मांगल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थ साधिके शरण्ये त्र्यंबके गौरी नारायणी नमोस्तुते।
I promise you that we will always be together. I will protect your love as long as I am alive. And when it's time to die, I will have your hand in mine. I'll say your name with every breath, and I will only see your face.
I promise you that I will love everything that you love and hate everything that you hate. I will believe in everything that you believe in. All your sorrows will be mine.
I promise you that I'll fulfill all the promises made to you.
So do I.
But there's one thing I have promised myself. It is to ruin MJ. Rudra, my love for you will help me win against MJ, whom I hate so intensely. And I will have my revenge when I ruin and kill MJ. And your love will be my strength. I love you.
I love you too.
We got married. Won't you give me a wedding gift?
Just ask me. I'll even give you my life.
Promise me. I need one promise. I will only ask for one thing in my life. Just one. Without any questions asked. Without giving any answer. Without any hesitation, you will give it.
I promise.